Hello, good afternoon. This is Steven again with Romano Subaru. I want to go over a pretty cool feature that a lot of people don't know Subarus have built into them. That is the kick feature for the rear tailgate. Okay, so a lot of people, when they've got a ton of stuff in their hands, they'll approach their rear tailgate and they'll like fumble to try to open this up. A lot of people have been through that. If you're watching this video, I know you've left the grocery store with a ton of bags trying to do the same thing. Subaru has built out a feature where instead of fumbling for that grip, all you have to do is kick. And it's underneath the car, so here I am, I'm approaching the car. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. All I gotta do is do one single kick and it'll automatically open up. That's probably one of the most convenient features I could show you, and a lot of people have no idea that their Subaru can do that. Cool. So that is how to close your rear tailgate with just your foot. Again, like I was saying, a lot of our clients, a lot of our customers have no idea that that is a standard option for a lot of their Subarus. So next time you are struggling with a ton of stuff in your hand that you're trying to get into the car, just give it a kick, it'll open up and your life would be a lot easier. Anyways, thanks for viewing. My name is Steven, I'm with Romano Subaru, and we are happy to help.